Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 10, leçon Y. So let's take the time to concentrate on this one because it's quite important. We're talking about impersonal expressions that will use the verb faire, okay? So by definition, in that case, if we're talking about impersonal expressions, we will use them only with il, remember, okay? So let's see a few of them. It's bad weather, il fait mauvais. Il fait mauvais, il fait mauvais. It's cold. Il fait froid. Il fait froid. Il fait froid. It's cool. Il fait frais. Il fait frais. Il fait frais. So in that case, we are talking about the temperature. It's dark. It's night time. Il fait noir. Il fait noir. Il fait noir. It's dark. It's night time. Il fait nuit. Il fait nuit. Il fait nuit. It's daylight. Il fait jour. Il fait jour. Il fait jour. It's getting late. Il se fait tard. Il se fait tard. Il se fait tard. It's good weather. Il fait beau. Il fait beau. Il fait beau. It's hot. Il fait chaud. Il fait chaud. Il fait chaud. It's not a good weather. Il ne fait pas beau. Il ne fait pas beau. Il ne fait pas beau. So before letting you go, keep in mind that it's always possible to find more videos on the YouTube channel, and it's youtube.com/imagier. So you can subscribe and definitely you can like the videos. It would be so great. Thank you very much in advance. If you want more content and if you want all the videos, all the audios, all the things that I've been producing so far, the platform is frenchforme.net. Okay, and then if you are only interested in audio or PDF for the lessons, then it's another place, and it's frenchforus.net. And last but not least, if you need to go faster, if you want some Skype lessons, it's possible. Let's try to find a convenient time for you and for me. And so just send me something through frenchforyou.net. Well, that's it. Thank you very much. Au revoir et à bientôt.